Here's how to reset your AirPods or your AirPods Pro. Now, if you have either one and you wanted to reset it, maybe you're selling it or you just got it, you want to wipe it back to factory default, it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing that we'll do is on any phone or device that is previously connected, we'll want to basically remove that profile and then reset it. So I'm going to go into my settings here and then Bluetooth. Now I'm just going to open up the case on my AirPods Pro and wait till it's connected. There it's connected. I'll hit that little I right next to it. And then at the very bottom, I will hit forget this device and forget this device. This will delete the profile for these AirPods Pro on my specific iPhone. Now, after we've done that, we can hop out of there. And on your AirPods Pro or AirPods case, on the very back, there is a little button. So what we're gonna wanna do is with that case still open, it needs to be open, we're gonna tap and hold on that AirPods Pro case. So it's going to pop up with a little white light, and it'll flash that white light over and over. But about 15 seconds later, it'll start flashing amber. And that means your AirPods have been fully reset back to factory default. Basically, then anybody can connect to them. You're good to go with selling them or giving them to somebody, anything like that. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.